In this video, we are asked to integrate cos²x dx. So we have that integral of cos²x dx. Now, for us to integrate this function here, we have to introduce the standard trig identity of cos²x dx. So recall that by trig identity, cos²x is equal to 1 plus cos²x divided by 2. So at this point, integral of cos²x dx will be equal to integral of 1 plus cos²x divided by 2 dx. So at this point, since 2 is a constant, this becomes 1 divided by 2 integral of 1 plus cos²x, all enclosed in the bracket, dx. So we have that 1 divided by 2, open up the bracket, integral of the x plus integral of cos²x dx, and we close up the bracket. What we did here was that we applied the linearity property of integration. So integral of the x is given as x plus integral of cos²x dx is given as sine 2x divided by 2. And we introduce the constant of integration, which is c. So at this point, we can now say that integral of cos²x dx is equal to, now I will multiply this expression here by 1 divided by 2. So we have x divided by 2 plus sine 2x divided by 4 plus c. So at this point, we have been able to integrate cos²x dx. Thank you so much for watching, and if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you're interested in more solutions on integration, visit our playlist, and I wish you a happy learning journey. Bye, and I will see you in my next video.